Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today's Friday, October 11th. So been a wild week. Yeah, it is what it is. Hey, people are digging out from Florida, and hopefully, the hurricane season will. That it's it for the hurricane season, right? Let's hope that for all those people in Florida. Looking at the news, what do we got going on today? 8:30, we had core PPI month over month and PPI month over month. Now, PPI was zero and core was up 0.2%, which was as expected. So, really nothing new to add to the picture. Unfortunate, but it is what it is. So, the market initially didn't like it, liked it, didn't like it. Now, not really that big of an impact. So, that's kind of where we're at. News the rest of the day, FOMC member Goolsby speaking. We also have preliminary University of Michigan sentiment report, as well as the preliminary University of Michigan inflation expectations. Both of those are at 10 o'clock. We also have member Logan speaking at 10:45 and Bowman speaking at 1:10. Notice that the last couple of days we have had a ton of FOMC members speaking. Usually when the more they speak, the more the market is unsettled. It just is what it is. Anyway, moving on. Let's go to charts. So what do we got going chart-wise? The daily here, yesterday was a down day. Today is starting out as a down day, at least gapping down a little bit. Obviously, the highs are 58, 45, 46-ish. That's where we could go. Where could we go on the bottom side? I think we'd easily come down into that 5,800 area. If 5,800 is breached, then we are back in the muck. So interesting to see what will happen today. Below average volume, nothing really too interesting in October. I mean, what can we say? October is what it is, especially in an election year. Nobody really wants to do anything until we have some clarity on the election going forward. Overnight, or I should say yesterday's action down. We also had down inventory. Not significant, but it is what it is. Those are correlated, so nothing to worry about there. Overnight action here, where overall process here, or I should say the range was only 21 points. Well, let's see. Yeah, about 21 points. So that's the little spiky there from the PPI. Really a nothing burger. So there you go. There you have it. Where do we have support and resistance? 58.50 is one of the numbers I'm looking at. And then above there, we're just guesstimating. So these are guesstimations. 58.53, 58.75. Below, where do we have support? Obviously, this area overnight low 58.16, 58.10, 5800 is really the big number on the bottom side. 57.80 and below 5800, it could get really ugly. So, it is what it is. Stock Trader's Almanac for today is 47.6, 47.6. So a very slight negative bias to the downside. Only a 47.6% chance based on historics from the Stock Trader's Almanac. Hope you have a great weekend, and we'll see you Monday. Happy trading. Hey, thanks for watching the Morning Brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.